Hello everyone, my name is Leman.
My name is Ayan.
And this is our project, roller skating rink, Shadows.
We hope you will enjoy it. We're starting.
The problem which we want to discuss is lack of entertainment. Problem number one is kids' alcoholism and drug addiction and smoking. Problem number two is that people are losing their face-to-face communication due to social medias. And the problem number three is obesity due to passive lifestyle. The solution which we want to offer you will help to satisfy all your needs and requirements. This solution is roller skating rink. A roller skating rink will help you to be more active and to spend more time with your family and friends.
In order to define is our business are going to be profitable or not, we use one of these tools, market segment and also market size. We classify our customers in different categories like financial stable and no free time, financial unstable and free time, and also financial stable and having free time. We define how much revenue can we gain from that service and also from the next. We can see how much people are going to use our service. So probably we should use about more than 60,000, but actually we are only serving about 6,000 people. So in order to be better, superior, and people, in order to choose us among the other companies, what should we do? We provide with a very high quality security. Also, we are first and unique company in Azerbaijan, which represent first rolling skate rink. We are defining like having a lot of entertainment activities and very low prices. In the next slide, we are going to talk about our key features of product, like roller skating, different outfit, and music equipment which we are using in our service. In other slides,
the financials. Here we can see how much money we can get from this business and is it profitable or not and how to create revenues and etc.
But probably the main problem is that how can we attract our customers? How can we use it? So we use different tools like TV, radio, mobile, social media, and different searching system. In next, we're going to see what we are doing in order to have a very good connection with them. We are using great product. We have a lot of different paid ads and other companies in order to promote ourselves, have a lot of different planned events which will satisfy all the needs and requirements of our customers, and also collaborate with our influencers in order to be the best company in Azerbaijan.
Meet our team and feel free to contact us.
We hope you enjoy our
Presentation.
Thanks for
Bye.
watching.